It's IBC2025, and I'm here on the Boland stand speaking to Mike. How you doing?
Good.
30
Good.
years in of monitor manufacturing.
And it's great to be in Europe. I mean, this is
Absolutely, yeah.
terrific.
And you told me you introduced LCD panels in what year at NAB?
95.
1995.
Yes.
It's impressive.
Thank you.
So you're introducing the QD OLED.
Yes. We
So,
introduced
tell us a bit
OLED
more.
monitoring
Okay.
5 years ago to the industry.
Yeah.
And it upset the whole industry because the image quality is just so much different, so much more vivid and so
Yeah.
much more alive. And the OB van folks just said, I got to have this. The guys next door have it. I got to have it too.
Yeah. Oh no, absolutely. So you're now introducing. You've replaced the JOLED with. Well, I mean, it probably still exists for a while with the QD OLED.
Yes.
Now, tell me why. What?
With JOLED's demise,
Okay.
it left the industry in a gap now.
Okay.
They've been sold on something new and a new piece of bread that was just wonderful. But they were all gone after a while. They just couldn't make their yields. And so now we have this hunger for something new. We overbought on the JOLED. So we've been able to survive until now.
Oh,
But
cool.
now they're gone.
Right.
And our customers are going, you've left us hundreds of monitors in arrears.
Right.
But now the QD is
gonna
starting to ship, and
Fill that space. And do
Yeah.
we see improvements in the QD?
they measure the same, but the QD looks a little better.
Okay. So, and what are the benefits of going OLED then? Of doing, OLED monitoring of this type?
The end user thinks they're getting a better value video product because
Okay.
they're seeing better value images on their material.
It's just quality for money.
Yes.
So, typical applications?
Obviously, the OB and
The
the sports
OBs.
market,
Okay.
yes. Control rooms, but any place that shading and grading are important, any place that quality control is important, now you have a much better instrument to evaluate material.
So, I mean, you say, obviously, as you say, sports and OB, if quality and shading, does the cinema market apply here?
Yes, we have a headwind to buck against, but people are noticing and figuring out that we have a superior product at a very favorable price.
Okay, fantastic. So, well, it only really leaves me to say, where can we send people to find out more information?
www.boland.com.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. Thanks,
bet.
Mike. So make sure you go onto boland.com to find out more information. And, of course, for the other
Let's
interview...
restate that for the edit. Bolandcom.com.
Oh, Boland. Oh, well done. Sorry, I
Yes.
missed that. Bolandcom.com. Thank you for that. And for the other interview that we've done on the Boland stand and for everything else that we've been doing at IBC 2025, it's kitplus.com.